So first of all, click any search engine that you would like to use, and then go to the search bar and type Windows Server 2016, and then scroll down and click the first link, Microsoft link, and then click on this ISO download 64-bit edition. Click it. And before you save and download it, you need to create a new folder. Wait, okay. And then name it Windows Server. Okay, and then save. And there you go. Click this PC. And then click download. And then you can find the folder that you saved earlier.
Okay, so first, open up your web browser like a Firefox, and then just type Oracle VirtualBox into the search bar. Click on the very first official link. So once you're on the home page, you will see the big blue download button, and click that. Since we are setting this up for the Windows, so choose Windows host. Pick where you want to save the setup files and hit save. Let it finish the downloading. So once that's done, open up your downloads folder. And double click the VirtualBox installer file to get it started. So on this first welcome screen, just hit next. Next is the license agreement. Choose the I accept and then click next. Continue choosing next until the warning and missing patterns pop up, and then choose yes. Choose any options do you want and then choose next. Finally hit the install and then let it download. This part will take a few minutes while it's copy all the files and install the necessary drivers. And here we go. The VirtualBox is officially installed.
So the first step is, after we download the Windows, is open the Oracle VirtualBox, which we need it before we open the Windows. Open it and click on the new. Then you can put on your name. So for me, I will put on my course name, and then go to click OS version to Windows Server 2016 64-byte. Click next and adjust the base memory to 4096 MB and click next. Click finish and go to storage. Click the empty and click the CD logo, the symbol, and choose a disk file. Go to download, click on the Windows Server that we have downloaded and open the Windows Server. Select OK, and then now go to click the start. Now we have to wait until the download is settled. After the VirtualBox show, we have to wait until the loading files settle the download. It will show you the Windows logo. Now we have to wait. Select your language and click next and select the install now. We have to wait until the setup is done. Now click on the Windows Server 2016 Standard Evolution Desktop Experience, the second one, and click on I accept the license terms. Custom install Windows only, click that and select on new. Change the size to 31440 MB and click apply. Click OK. Now select new and apply. Select the second one and next. Now there is like 5 of it, which is we have to wait until the installation done. So we have to wait until the installation for copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation, installing feature, installing update, and finishing up done in download. Usually this process only takes 10 to 15 minutes. You just have to wait until it's done. Wait for the installing updates. And now wait for the finishing up. Now before the Windows restart, before we click on the restart now button, we have to wait until the countdown is done. After the time is up, we restart and press the F12 button. Then press any key on your keyboard. Now it will go back for this Windows interface. We have to wait for it. Now it will show getting device ready, so we just have to wait for it getting ready until it's 100% ready. Now it shows restarting. So we restart it back and we have to click on F12 button again and press any button on our keyboard. Now it will show you a blue screen on the VirtualBox surface. So in this process we have to be patient it will show you the customize setting. We have to put on our password. Make sure the password that you create have a capital letter, number and symbol to make sure our password is strong. And we enter the password. Click the finish button and it will finalize your setting. We have to wait. It will show you the Windows homepage and select the input. Go to keyboard and insert Ctrl plus Delete. Click that and put on our password. The password that we have created earlier. So we have to wait for the user profile service. Wait for the Windows to prepare. It will personalize your setting now. After it show you the back screen, you have to wait for it, and it will show you the Windows interface. Wait for it to be fully loads all of the data inside. It's loading now. So don't click anything yet. Just wait for it to be fully done. It will automatically open the server manager and it will show you the dashboard. Wait for it till it's fully done. So just have to wait and wait. The local server and all server will be red, and click on the yes for the network. And you are all done. That is all for this step.
Okay, so first of all, we're going to um, change our time zone to Malaysian time. Okay. So first of all, we go to this Windows icon, and then we go to settings, and after that we go to time and language. Then here we can see the time zone. Okay, so we have to search for Malaysian time, which is 8 UTC positive 8. Okay, yes, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Okay, that is for time changing the time zones. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to show how to see the information of this system. So first of all, we're going to this search windows, and then we're going to search for system information. System information. And then we open this application. Then it shows the information of this system. Then click on see the hardware of this system components. And lastly, the software. Okay. Okay, so for the third step, we are going to perform this partition. Okay, so first of all, we go into File Explorer, and then we go into this PC, and then we're going to right click this PC here, then go into Manage, then go into Tools, and then Computer Management. So after that, we go into Disk Management. Okay, so we go into do a disk partition. So you can choose. So I'm going to choose this D. So right click this, and then go to shrink volume. Okay, so go into shrink volume, and then um, I going to enter about half of the. So we're going to enter half of the um, storage of the original drive, original disk. Okay, we're going to 796. Okay, we're going to shrink. Then here we go into new simple volume, and then we're going to open this. Then click next, next. Okay, it's going. You can assign what letter the drive you want to be. So you need to choose F. Okay, then next, next. Okay, finish. So we've created a new this. We can check it here. New volume F. Okay, so for the third step, we are going to change our work group. So first we go to Windows, and then settings, and then go to system, and then we go into about. Then we go to system info. So after going to system info, I go into change settings. So here you can see. So okay, we go to here, change, and we are going to change this work group into IND163, and then click OK. Okay, so it's going to ask us to restart the computer. Okay, so click OK. We close all of this at first, then restart now. So we're going to check uh, our work group. So here, settings. system pop up. So we have changed our boot to MD163. Okay. So I'm going to show how to create a user account for the next step. So first, go to Windows icons here, and then go to settings. Then accounts, go to accounts, and then goes to other people. Then here we go to this add someone else to this PC. Okay. Then go to users. New user. So we're going to make our username. It's going to so, so here we can choose whether or not the next login we have to change password. So we're going to enable this option. So we're going to create this new account. So close. Then you can see that there's a new account. So we're going to check. So here to log in to the new account, we're going to sign up. Okay. So we're going to choose this account. So as if you enable the have to change account for the next login, you have to change the password for login. So we're going to change our password. So we're going to change password. Okay. Okay. And then we can sign in. Okay. So you can see the account. So we are on the IMD163 account. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to show the sixth step here, which is showing Windows Update. So first of all, we go into the Windows icon here, and then we go into Settings, and then we go into Update and Security. Okay, so we can see here the update status and see what updates are available and are ready to install. So you can install now the updates and also see the update history. There is nothing but so here is the update. So for next step, I will show how to share a folder. So first of all, going to File Explorer, then going to choose. Okay, we will do share with. Going to Advanced Sharing, then uh, going choose Advanced Sharing here. Password. Yes. So you can see here the folder is shareable. You can change the name and the comments of what the receiver of this folder will see. So apply. So to share this folder, uh, the the, re- the device of the receiver have to be on the same network path as this. So basically, it means that if you want to share this folder, you have uh, the the receiver device have to be on the same internet Wi-Fi basically for you to share it. So okay, that's it for sharing. Okay, so for the next step, which is the seventh. Okay, I'm going to show how to open the task manager. So basically, so we click here on search windows, and then we search for task as okay manager. Then the application will pop up, and then we can open it. So there are no running apps, okay. But you can see here on the more details about um, how is the performance of the computer or laptop. So we see here the CPU, the memory, internet, the users, details, and services. Okay, that's it for Task Manager. Okay. So for the final step here, I'm going to show how to change the name of your computer. So first of all, we're going to here Windows, and then we go into Settings, and then go to System, and then About. So here we're going to click here, rename PC. So I'm just going to rename it to and next. So it will ask you to restart. So we're going to restart now. So so now we're going to check on our computer name if it's changed or not. So go to system about. So we can see here the name of our PC is changed. Okay. So that's the final step, which is changing the name of our computer. So thank you for watching our video on OS installation. Thank you.